Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll explore one more very interesting micro niche. A lot of people wouldn't have even thought about this particular product, but there is a potential, and we also have a proof that this is worth micro niche to try it out if you have interest in that segment. Okay, let's get it started. The micro niche that I am going to talk about today is knives. Yes, it is just it may sound like just a product, but I also got surprised to see so many varieties and so many keywords and topics associated with that. Straight away, you can see about you have nearly 61K search volume here, and let's basically explore further. So what we will do, let's, as we always do, let's do our five-factor validation for this particular micro niche as well, and check it out. How are the details? Okay, here it is. So as usual, we normally look for first validation is basically difficulty and competition. We check for that. Let's verify that. So what we normally do, there is a label called KD here. KD stands for keyword difficulty. Lesser is always better, easier to rank. So I normally suggest for the new websites, so go with a filter of maximum 20 keyword difficulty. So let's see how many keywords will appear. At about you have 20K plus keywords are there with difficulty less than 20. That's the first validation. That means there are thousands of words or keywords are available with low difficulty. That's a proof that so there are enough topics. So now let's look into the second validation. Second validation, what we normally look for is how is the search volume for this particular low basically difficulty keywords. So there is one more label here. If you can notice, volume stands for the number of times this particular keyword has been searched online on an average. For example, if you say case knives has been searched about 28K times, 28,000, and Emerson knives has been searched about 13K. So typically if the volumes are high, that means there are a lot of people showing interest are looking for this kind of a information. That's what it conveys. So if you just scroll down almost in the entire first pan, it has about more than 4,000 plus, and you can scroll further to the using the pagination, but this itself will give an indication if there is a good search volume or not. Anything above 1,000 in the first basically the pane, I consider it as a very good search volume. Already we saw that almost all the keywords appearing uh, in the first list, in the first page at least, is more than 4,000. That's a good search value. So second validation is also true. Now we will look at if we have enough topics to write the content. So once you start pick up the micro niche, you need to go continue on it and keep generating the content. That should be your aim. Not necessarily into the thousands of topics, but at least you should aim at about 100 to 200 articles on any micro niche that you pick it up to earn decent amount of money. uh, if you can't generate less even 100 articles for that particular micro niche, then there is a very less probability to make money. There will be always exception, don't go by that. In general, what I am talking about now, how we verify that is, we already filtered for the difficulty less than 20. So we will also filter based on the monthly search volume. So what we will do is we will take minimum of 500 searches per month and check it out how many keywords are there. So this filter will give us the results, the number of keywords with low competition, that means less than 20, high search volume, that means more than 500. If you see here, there are 2000 plus keywords. Those are so many are there, huge. So even if you take about a 50% of redundant and duplicate and all those things, still you have a nearly 1,000 keywords are there. So easily you should be able to generate about a 200, 300 topics if you pick this particular micro niche. So third validation is also true. So now the fourth validation, the interesting one, and this is where most of the micro niche analysis, basically when I try to analyze, most of the micro niches fail. At least I would say 80% of micro niches fail with this particular at this validation when I try to analyze. So when I am actually showing you any micro niche, I would have analyzed at least 10 before actually I showcase something to you. That's the effort that goes behind this. Anyways, so let's look into the details. So during my analysis, I discovered one particular micro niche exclusively focusing on this particular micro niche. So let me actually show you what it is. So this is the validation we are verifying. So here it is, bladeadvisor.com, and it talks about purely kitchen knives reviews. That's about it. You see the entire everything all about only knives, all reviews basically. Okay. Site is very simple. There is no any jazzy design. Typically, you will find most of the micro niche blogs will follow a simple design. Will have a banner with simple article structure. And if you go into the articles also, basically it will be plain. The focus for the micro niche blogs or websites would be onto the content, not on all these uh, flashy designs and all those things. That's not the basically the selling point for basically micro niche websites. If you want to demonstrate your design skills, you may basically do a little bit of innovation while displaying that particular product boxes and all those things. That also nowadays you have a lot of plugins where you can actually fetch the detail from Amazon. But anyway, that's the one place. So you can see here straightforward simple articles. Now let's look into the details of this particular website, a niche blog, and see how are the data items. So let's get into data points. Let's analyze the data points related to this particular niche blog. So explore and see the details. So one attribute that I normally look for whenever I analyze any of the micro niches, DR. DR stands for domain rating. So low, if it is a new site or non-branded site, relatively fresh, you will have a low DR. Simple logic. If you start a new website now, then you will start with a DR 0. If you verify DR for Facebook's, Microsoft's, Amazon's and all those things, you will find it is above 90 or DR 100. Got the logic, right? So when you are looking for a proof that this particular micro niche works, you always need to look for a low DR site. That means even there is a new relatively non-branded site doing well for this particular micro niche, that means that indicates that content with a good content, any new site also can basically outperform. That's the indication. Because if when you start tomorrow, your DR will start 0. You shouldn't compare with a DR 80 or 90. Then that's not a apple to apple comparison. So now you can see here DR is 5. 5 is very low, as good as is just in unbranded and new site. And if you see here, the second attribute what I normally look for is organic keywords. For how many different search terms this particular site is appearing. Organic keywords is nothing but for number of different keywords for which this particular website is appearing in the search engines like Google or Bing and all that. 11,000 is a good number. And organic traffic is nothing but how many people are visiting this particular website through searches by searching in Google or Bing. Again 11,000 plus, looking good. So this is the proof that even if you start a new site for this related to this particular micro niche, if you can produce a high quality content after doing a proper keyword analysis, there is an excellent potential to earn good handsome money. Okay, so that means our fourth validation is also is true. The last validation we normally look for is earning potential. At the end of the day, we do all these things to make some money. So let's look at how is the earning potential for this particular micro niche. So simple straightforward way of validating that is the website that we just verified as the proof that has a label here, something called traffic value. Traffic value is nothing but if you properly monetize the traffic that this particular website is attracting, then this site has a potential to earn about a 7,000 US dollars per month. 7k USD per month. That's the potential this particular website has if you properly monetize. I normally suggest you to take very conservative approach. No need to you also assume that you will make a 7k. Go by 10% of this is what I normally suggest. Even if you take 10%, it's about a $700. But then if you look at the title of this video and all that, I told you that you can make about a 1400 USD. The reason is I looked at for how many pages this particular website is ranking for, this particular niche blog. It was even more surprising to me that this particular site is only ranking for at about 60 odd pages. That's about it. For these many pages, it is able to generate so much of traffic. Again, all in these pages, you will find a lot of category pages. You will find some static pages like about us, privacy policies, contact us, and all those things. If you exclude that, this is ranking for about maybe 50-55 pages. That's about it. Those are the number of blog posts. I normally advise you should actually really look at the earning when you hit about 100. If you go beyond 100, you can actually make more. So if you assume that this particular micro niche had published about 100 posts, that means it will be for 50-55. This is the basically these are the numbers that is displaying. You simply double it. You may actually see that basically these things are getting nearly double. That means the traffic value may also go at about a 14k. So there will be always a 10%, 20% deviation. So consider that. So you may even get more also. You may get little less also, but on an average, okay. So even if you take about a on an average, if you double this 14k, so even if you take about a 10% of it, so it is a 1400 US dollar is the earning potential from this particular micro niche if you can perform a proper keyword analysis and produce superior quality articles. That looks very attractive to me, and especially when it is so narrow, so focused onto a certain product. It is obviously a very good micro niche. It looks to me very attractive. So that's what I wanted to share. So another thing is when you actually focus on to only one product, then it will be comparatively easy for you to establish that authority and expertise, because your analysis is going to be around only that particular topic. So very soon you will be able to understand the concept and the topics around it. So you should be able to perform very well after producing certain number of articles. That's another advantage normally you will have when you actually pick up an ultra micro niche. So so I just thought of sharing this with you today because I myself was very surprised to see one specific product line having so much of potential. Hope you all like the content and the video. Thank you very much for your time once again. Bye.